Dear children, get your book, Environmental Studies. Take out page 16. Page 16. Okay? Name of the chapter: The Food I Eat. The food I eat. What is the theme of the lesson? The theme of the lesson is my needs. What is our need, children? Our basic need: food, home, and good education, right? So food is one of the most important things that we need to live. What are the things we are going to learn about? We are going to learn about foods and its importance. So we are going to learn about the foods and what is the importance of it in our life. Okay? And next, sources of food. Sources of food means from where we get foods. Okay? So foods, some of the foods item we get from the animal, right? Like milk, egg, meat. These are the foods we get from the animal. And some of the foods like fruits, vegetable, pulses we get from plants, right? The next we will learn about healthy and junk food. Healthy food means those foods are good for our health, and junk foods are not good for our health. And we will learn about the different kinds of different foods, okay, like energy giving foods, body building foods, and protective foods. So let's begin the lesson. Here you can see some questions are there for you. Name these foods. Can you say which of these come from animals? So here you can see 4 pictures are here. Okay? And you have to tell which are the foods you get from animal. Can you say? Yes, you know the answer, right? Ice cream and meat come from animals. Ice cream we get from milk, and milk we get from animals, right? So ice cream and meat come from animals. Which of these come from plant? So among these 4, which are the food items we get from plant? We get from plant vegetables, wheat, and fruits. Yes. Next, which are sweet? So which are the food items are sweet? Ice cream, and some of the fruits are sweet. Right, children? Which one would you like to eat more? I think your answer will be different from others. No? Yes, of course. Because some of you may like to eat ice cream, and some of you may like to eat the most meat, and some of you may like to eat the most vegetables, right? Or some of you may like to eat fruits. Yes? Okay? So now we will begin the chapter. Everybody must eat food. We need food. Okay, so we all eat food, right? And we need food in order to live, in order to walk and play, in order to grow and in order to be healthy and keep our body warm, we need food. So dear children, all of you like to play, right? And you have to study a lot. So for this, you need food, okay? And our body needs fruit to grow. So all of you want to grow, right? So we need food. Let's see the next page, page 17. What are you going to eat today? Tell your teacher. You are going to eat the different food items, right? Rice, dal, chapatis, meat, pulses, right? Okay, let's begin the next line. We eat different kinds of food. Some foods give us energy to walk. Some help our body grow, while some other protect our body from diseases. So here you can see foods, they do different work in our body, right? Some of the foods give us energy and some food help our body to grow, and some they help our body to fight the diseases. Okay? Do you eat different type of food? Children, this is question for you. Do you eat different type of foods? Yes? I think so. All of you eat different type of foods, right? And those who don't eat, now onwards, start eating all type of foods. Okay? Okay, energy giving foods. So what are the foods give us energy? Bread, potatoes, cereals are energy giving foods. They give us energy to walk and play. We get cereals from plants. Rice and wheat are cereals. Okay, so here in your book, underline students, these are the words. Bread, potatoes and cereals are example of energy giving foods. So in the exam, if question comes, give or name two example of energy giving foods, you have to write bread, potatoes, rice, wheat. Okay? So these are the things you have to write. Okay. So butter and oil are also energy giving foods. We get butter from milk. We get oil from the plants. So here it says that we get energy from butter and oil also. So we all know that we get butter from milk and oil we get from mustard seeds, sunflower seeds, right? So we should eat these other foods in order to get energy. Okay? So what are the foods give us energy? Bread, potatoes, cereals, butter, oil. Okay? So in place of cereals, you can write rice, wheat, maize. Okay, children? I hope it is clear to you. The energy giving food is clear. Now we will move to the next. Body building food. Okay? Body building foods. Pulses, eggs, milk, nuts, chicken and meat are body building foods. They help us grow and keep strong. So please underline in your book pulses, eggs, milk, nuts, chicken, meat are the bodybuilding's food. So in exam, if question comes, give 2 example of bodybuilding foods. So you have to write these are the foods name. Okay? Okay, so what they do? So they help us to grow. So you should remember this point that bodybuilding food help our body to grow and they keep us strong. Okay? Okay. Now listen children. Here you have learned that cereals means many things comes under that. Right? Like rice, wheat, maize, these are the things are cereals. Okay? So pulses also same. Pulses are the seeds of plants. So which are the seeds are known as the pulses? Tur, masoor, what we call it in English? Lentil. Mung, green gram, chana, gram, rajma, kidney beans. Okay? So these are the types of pulses. Okay? This TOOR, tur also type of pulses. Okay? We get eggs, milk and meat from animals. So dear children, please notice here that milk, meat and egg, these are the bodybuilding foods we get from animals. And pulses also bodybuilding foods we get from plant. Right? I hope bodybuilding food is clear to everyone. So now we'll move to the next. Protective food. Vegetables and fruits are protective food. They keep our bodies healthy and protect us from illnesses and diseases. Examples are spinach, beans, cauliflower, beetroot, carrot and radish. So in exam, if question comes, give 2 examples of protective food. So you have to write vegetables and fruits. Okay? So please students underline it in your book. So protective food, why do we need it? To be healthy, we need protective food. Okay? And they help us, our body, to remain healthy and keep us disease free. Okay? So if you avoid of taking vegetables and fruits, so you may fall in sick very fast, very easily. So we should take protective food regularly. I hope so. Till here the lesson is clear to everyone. So dear children, your homework is to read this chapter till page number 17. Okay?